March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Everybody wake up and celebrate life. Yes, yes, yes. Hey, tell your friend. Happy birthday, happy friend. One more year pandemic. One more fight. Give thanks for life. Next year we do it again, oh yo. Happy birthday, happy friend. One more year pandemic. Boy, more life to your coming day, I tell you. Here's how we have done. Big birthday. Bash. We fight for the drum. Hold up. Hold up. Right that jam, how you feel like? Life, 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 life. Celebrate life, celebrate life. One more year. Light it up. Light it up again. Light it up again. All the phones up again. Phone light again. Light it up. Wave some wave. Happy birthday, young friend. One more year on the journey. One more night. Give thanks for life. Next year. Light it, light it, light it. Happy birthday, young friend. One more year on the more life to your coming day, I tell you. Big birthday. But if I live up on the ground with it, slap. Give thanks to the life, oh Lord. I watch you make me the bring out this touch. Drink that smoke so we fast. Come up this song. Tell them I'm bubble to the max. 17 well cool or relax. Turn over. We are pop champagne non-stop. Happy birthday, young friend. One more year pandemic. One fight. Give thanks for life. Next year we do it again, oh yeah. Happy birthday, young friend. One more year pandemic. More life to you. Read from here. Opposite level. It's representing the birthdays. All birthday in the world. Happy birthday to everyone. Sometimes shit happens and you might not having a happy day. Don't let nothing spoil your date of birth, because it can't be changed. You can't shift your birthday from under Pisces and put it under some other. You can't shift it from that date then and put it on the next date. You can change your name, however, but your birthday remains the same. So no matter whether you're celebrating under Pisces, one job. No matter if a Pisces. No matter if a Scorpio. And no matter if a Virgo. And no matter if a Sagittarius. And we no matter if a Cancer. We no matter if a Capricorn. No matter if you don't celebrate